चलिए इस बीच गोदरेज कंज्यूमर के रिजल्ट भी आ चुके हैं, सीधा उनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में पहले चलते हैं।
The Indian rupee, your Indonesian rupiah, the basket of African currencies against the US dollar. What kind of an impact will that have on consolidation of your foreign subsidiaries?
First of all, many of the currencies are not, for example, the Indonesian rupiah has appreciated. The Indian rupee has depreciated, and clearly we provide for the forex losses as the case may be, wherever required. So our results are after providing for forex loss, if any. And we are not very concerned about it, because even if there is depreciation, the earnings in rupee terms will still rise, and in many cases the earnings of our foreign subsidiaries go mainly on a dollar based growth rate. So we're not very concerned. There will be ups and downs, and even the earlier also the rupee depreciated from 45 to 54, then it appreciated again to 48. So these fluctuations will come and go, but we don't think we are negatively affected.
And also the dollar exposures which we have are long-term exposures. So short-term fluctuations don't have much of an impact. And again, as you have seen, the debt-equity ratio is very comfortable for us.
But so just to add to that question, we do know that you have about $400 million of unhedged foreign loans, forex loans, and that you are planning to repay about 90 million in the coming year. So is this likely to have an impact on how you pay off the loans and the kind of...
Out of the $400 million loan, we have already paid about 90 million of loan, and we were lucky enough to pay that off before the current round of depreciation. Okay. So we paid it at under 50.
All right. And what about the remaining $310 million?
Long tenure. The tenure is long. That's what Mr. Ganesh is saying. So from a forex, volatility point of view, whatever if you are concerned,
we'll pay back from the earnings of our foreign subsidiaries.
Yeah.
The earnings of the foreign subsidiaries I mentioned are linked to the US dollar. So we don't see any effect.
And the repayments will happen over the next 5 years.
5 years.
चलिए छोटा सा ब्रेक ले लेते हैं। जब ब्रेक के बाद लौटेंगे तो बातचीत करेंगे आज की गोल्डन ट्रेड की, और साथ ही ये भी जानेंगे कि आपके सवाल क्या हैं, और इस बीच अखिलेश मिश्रा की ट्रेडिंग पिक्स क्या है, ये भी जानेंगे छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।